Welcome back. We thoroughly analyze a remarkable example of vehicle engineering that seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with opulent design. The 2025 Toyota Century Sedan is a visually impressive masterpiece, featuring a large front grille and a sleek, aerodynamic shape. The 2025 Toyota Century is an exquisite illustration of a high-end sedan, radiating sophistication and elegance. The general population has been introduced to innovative comfort and cutting-edge technology. The Century offers a refined and dynamic driving experience, thanks to its sophisticated suspension system and high-performance V8 engine. The interior exudes a feeling of opulence, attributed to the use of premium materials and meticulous attention to intricate details. The excellent safety systems it possesses. Toyota has designed the 2025 Century Sedan for discerning individuals seeking the utmost quality. This statement embodies the future of driving, characterized by innovation, exceptional performance, and luxurious features. The 2025 Toyota Century is poised to become a preferred option among aficionados of luxury automobiles. The Toyota Century, which is the most opulent variant, is solely accessible in Japan, a fact that is widely known. The unique automobiles, equipped with a formidable V12 engine and priced at 20,000 yen apiece, were predominantly purchased by affluent individuals in Japan. An estimated conversion of these sums amounts to around $150,000 or 142,000 euros. Recent Japanese speculation suggests that Toyota is preparing to launch the Century SUV. Reports indicate that the 2 rows of seats in this car are extended in length compared to the original model, ensuring ample legroom for passengers in the back. The Centurion surpasses the Land Cruiser in length, measuring around 5.2 meters, 204.7 inches, in height. The reported wheelbase of 3 meters, 118.1 in, has generated significant anticipation for a spacious interior. The expected measurements of the SUV are 1,950 mm, 76.7 in width and 1,750 mm, 68.9 in height, with a curb weight of 2,200 kilograms, 4,850 pounds. The LC500H and LS500H now feature a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing a potentially suitable alternative for powertrain options. Toyota's inclusion of an electric motor at the rear of the Century SUV is a further measure aimed at transforming it into a hybrid vehicle. It is expected that the owner, rather than the driver, will operate the new car, and so, it will not be equipped with the same 5.0-liter V8 engine as the sedan. The anticipated price range is 75,800 to 114,000 USD or 10 to 15 million JPY, based on available information. Speculations have emerged suggesting that the debut of the Century SUV is scheduled to take place in Japan by the middle of 2024. Thanks for watching.